Okay guys, so you found this video because you are browsing YouTube trying to find a working method on how to get free POKECOINS in Pokemon Go, and it's your lucky day guys. I'm going to be showing you today how to get free coins in Pokemon Go, and this is going to save you a bunch of money guys because 10,000 coins are pretty expensive. So let's just have a quick check in the in-app purchases how expensive 10,000 POKECOINS will be. So you can see 5,200 POKECOINS is around $50 US. So 10,000, it would be about $100, I suppose. So let's get into it, guys. This is a super easy method because it only uses a redeem code that you can literally enter in-game or on the website, and it's going to supply you with the POKECOINS for free. So head on over on your mobile phone. So open up, very important you do it on your mobile guys, by the way. Open up the internet and go to this website, www.robotcoupons. Sorry guys, I'm trying to type looking through the camera and my eye-hand coordination is all kinds of off. So robotcoupons.com, very important. Pause the video if you need to, copy this down. Now, this website is awesome, and they have tons of other games on here, but you can literally see, it's not the Brawl Stars one. You can literally see it is one of the top coupons. Pretty easy to find, guys. Pokemon Go, free POKECOINS, and more. So you can get a 10,000 free POKECOINS promo code, and these codes are limited, so you will need to unlock your personal code. So guys, don't come on this website if you think you're going to get millions of free POKECOINS. You can only get 10,000, and you will need to unlock your personal promo code. So these are protected codes, so it will take about 5 to 10 minutes, because you will probably need to verify you're not a robot. So if this is your first time on Robot Coupons, when this reaches 100%, I'm just going to cancel it because I don't need any more coins and I don't want to waste these codes. But you're going to see a new page, guys, and it will tell you how to unlock your code. You will need to complete a couple of tasks. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes. It's completely free, of course. It just does take a few minutes. And once you've done that and followed the instructions, your code will be revealed and you can redeem it for your 10,000 free POKECOINS in Pokemon Go. So that is it, guys. This is the easiest method. There's no dodgy downloads. This is literally just a Pokemon Go promo code for free POKECOINS. So go to Robot Coupons and navigate your way to the Pokemon Go redeem codes page and unlock your code for your free POKECOINS. So go ahead and smash that like button if you got your free Pokemon Go coins. And any questions, of course, you can leave a comment down below. But yeah, this is going to save you a bunch of cash, and it will continue to work into 2024. So yeah, enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.